Graham Field has been proudly manufacturing basic American beds since 1940 in our Fond du Lac, Wisconsin facility. In our 155,000 square foot facility, Graham Field employees work to bring the highest quality long-term care and home care beds to patients across the country and globe. Each year, 25,000 long-term and home care beds are made here. It starts with receiving American steel that arrives several times per week. High-quality steel is the foundation of quality in our manufacturing process. Building beds is a multi-step process of building sub-assemblies that will be built into the finished bed that is shipped to the resident or patient. By beginning with precision bending and stamping by our experienced staff, this is how we ensure every bed is carefully built to stand behind our extended warranties and commitment to quality. A state-of-the-art laser tube cutter ensures consistent measurement and uniformity of the metal framing, which will make every bed be built exact and structurally robust every time. In 2023, we are installing our second robotic laser tube cutter as part of our capital investment in our Made in USA strategy. Manufacturing in the USA allows us to control materials used in our products, ensuring availability of parts and better delivery times when you need them, and supports our nation's labor force. Skilled welders perform the small assembly detailed welds. While robotic welders are used for high-volume bonding for large assemblies. This allows us to assemble beds more efficiently and get them to our customers sooner. Teams fasten the sub-assemblies and stack them together on racks, waiting for the next step in the manufacturing process. Each component is hung on hooks for the pre-wash, coating, and finishing process through our state-of-the-art powder coating line. With our own powder coating capability, we can uniquely add antimicrobial coatings that are electrostatically bonded to the steel frames and baked for maximum durability. Antimicrobial protection can help decrease odor and stain-causing microbes and protect your frame from bacteria. Finished bed assemblies are then carefully packaged and labeled for instructions and serial number tracking. We are proud to provide quality-driven, American-made home care and extended care beds to our customers. We take pride in our work and know that any one of these beds are going to be used by someone's loved one. A durable, comfortable bed specifically engineered for the extended care environment will ensure your residents a comfortable stay. After 4 decades of manufacturing extended care beds, we built the quality that is proven by the tens of thousands of basic American beds in service. Made in the USA, right here in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. Basic American by Graham Field.